அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். கம்பைன்ட் ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்கல் சபார்டினேட் சர்வீஸ் எக்ஸாமினேஷன்ஸ் நடக்கிறதுக்கு இன்னொரு ஃபியூ டேஸ் தான் இருக்குது. எல்லோரும் ப்ரிப்ரேஷன் நல்லா பண்ணிகிட்ருப்பீங்கன்னு நம்புகிறோம். ஸோ நம்ம அகாடமிலையும் சிலபஸை பேஸ் பண்ணியும் ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர்ஸ் கொஷின்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் அனலைஸ் பண்ணியும் ஒரு மாடல் எக்ஸாம் ரெடி பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஒரு மாடல் டெஸ்ட் பேப்பர் ரெடி பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இதையும் நீங்கள் பார்த்துட்டு போங்க. கண்டிப்பாக இதில் இருக்கிற மாதிரியான பேட்டர்ன்ஸ்லேயே தான் நம்ம கொஷின்ஸ் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணலாம் நம்மளோட எக்ஸாமில். ஸோ இந்த ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ் பேப்பரோட மாடல் டெஸ்ட் நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்கலாம். இப்போ இந்த கொஷின் பேப்பர் பார்த்துட்டிங்கன்னா நம்மளுக்கு டோட்டலாக 300 மார்க்ஸுக்கு இருக்கும். நம்பர் ஆஃப் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்டோம்னா நம்மளுக்கு 200. ஸோ ஒரு கொஷினுக்கு 1.5 மார்க்ஸ் அப்படின்னு போட்டு மேக்ஸிமம் மார்க்ஸ் 300 இருக்கும். டைம் டியூரேஷன் பார்த்துட்டிங்க அப்படின்னா நம்மளுக்கு 3 hours. எல்லா கொஷினுக்குமே சாய்ஸஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம இந்த மாடல் டெஸ்ட்டை நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஷின் பாருங்கள். The characteristic function of the distribution. So given distributionக்கு என்ன characteristic function அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஆப்ஷன் A 1 minus it divided by alpha the whole power minus n. B option alpha divided by alpha minus it the whole power n. Option C 1 divided by 1 minus it by alpha the whole power n. Option D any one of these. So the correct answer என்ன அப்படின்னா any one of these. இந்த மூணில் எது வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம். ஆப்ஷன் A or option B or option C. So that is the correct answer. Next the skewness of normal distribution is option A 0, option B positive, option C negative, option D none of these. So correct answer option A 0. So next third question. In case of normal distribution, quartile deviation is approximately equal to option A 1 by 3 into SD, option B 4 by 5 into SD, option C 2 by 3 into SD, option D 1 by 2 into SD. So the correct option is option C 2 by 3 into SD. So next fourth question. If x is approximately equal to n of mu comma sigma square, then y equal to x minus mu divided by sigma the whole square is dash. Option A chi square variate, option B beta of first kind variate, option C gamma variate, option D beta of second kind variate. So the correct option is option A chi-square variate. Next, fifth question. Let Tn be an estimator based on a sample x1, x2, xn, so on to xn of the parameter theta. Then Tn is a consistent estimator of theta. Then Tn is a consistent estimator of theta if. So question பாருங்க. Let Tn be an estimator based on the sample x1, x2, so on to xn of the parameter theta. So then Tn is a consistent estimator of theta if option A P of Tn minus theta is greater than epsilon, that is equal to 0. Option B P of Tn minus theta modulus of Tn minus theta greater than epsilon equal to 0. Option C limit n tends to infinity P of modulus Tn minus theta greater than epsilon, that is equal to 0. Option D limit n tends to infinity P of Tn minus theta is greater than epsilon, that is equal to 0. So the correct option is option C. Limit n tends to infinity P of modulus Tn minus theta is greater than epsilon equal to 0. So that is the correct option. So next sixth question. If the population standard deviation sigma is known, the confidence interval for the population mean mu is based on dash. Option A Poisson distribution, option B T distribution, option C chi-square distribution, option D normal distribution. So the correct option is option D the normal distribution. Next, seventh question. The best critical region for a simple H0 against a simple H1 is given by option A. Rao-Blackwell theorem, option B. Fisher-Neyman theorem, option C. Cramer-Raw theorem, option D. Neyman-Pearson lemma. So the correct answer is option D. Neyman-Pearson lemma. Next, eighth question. If Tn be an estimator of theta, let Tn be an estimator of theta. If E of Tn is equal to theta, then dash. Option A. Tn is a sufficient estimator of theta. Option B. Tn is an unbiased estimator of theta. Option C. Tn is a consistent estimator of theta. Option D. Tn is an efficient estimator of theta. The correct answer is option B. Tn is an unbiased estimator of theta. So next, question number 9. Let T be the minimum variance unbiased estimator. Then option A. V of T is less than Cramer-Raw lower bound. Option B. V of T is greater than Cramer-Raw lower bound. Option C. V of T is equal to Cramer-Raw lower bound. Option D. V of T is greater than or equal to Cramer-Raw lower bound. So the correct option is option D. V of T is greater than or equal to Cramer-Raw lower bound. So next, question number 10. Out of the two types of errors in testing, the more severe error is dash. Question number 10 paranga. Out of the two types of errors in testing, the more severe error is dash. Option A. Type 1 error. Option B. Type 2 error. Option C. Both are equally severe. Option D. No error is severe. So the correct option is correct answer is option B. Type 2 error. So next, 11th question. A random sample is drawn from a normal population n of mu comma sigma square, where mu and sigma square are not known. Then the simple hypothesis H0 is stated as option A. Mu equal to 3 comma sigma square equal to 1. Then option B. Mu is greater than or equal to 5, sigma square is greater than 1. Option C. Mu equal to 4, sigma square is greater than 1. Option D. Mu greater than 5, sigma square equal to 2. So the correct answer is option A. Mu equal to 3, sigma square equal to 1. Next question, 12th question. The probability of type 1 error is denoted by option A. Alpha, option B. Beta, option C. 1 minus alpha, option D. 1 minus beta. So the correct answer is option A. Alpha. Next, 13th question. The probability of type 2 error is denoted by option A. Alpha, option B. Beta, option C. 1 minus alpha, option D. 1 minus beta, and the correct answer is beta. So the probability of type 1 error is alpha and the probability of type 2 error is beta. Next, 14th question. The Mann-Whitney U-test is preferred to a t-test when dash. Option A. Data are paired. Option B. Sample sizes are small. Option C. The assumption of normality is not met. Option D. Samples are dependent. So the correct answer is option C. The assumption of normality is not met. Then 15th question. DOS is dash. Option A. A type of computer. Option B. Disk operating system. Option B. A language. Option D. All of these. So the 15th answer is option B. Disk operating system. So DOS is disk operating system. And then 16th question. Which keyword is used to define the variables in SAS dataset? Option A. Input. Option B. Data. Option C. Where. Option D. All of these. So the correct answer is option A. Input. Question number 17. Which distribution is used in P-charts? Option A, Poisson distribution. Option D, binomial distribution. Option C, geometric distribution. Option D, negative binomial distribution. So the correct answer is option B, binomial distribution. Question number 18. The graph of the proportion of defective in the lot against the average sample number is. Option A, OC curve. Option B, ASN curve. Option C, power curve. Option D, all of this. The correct answer is option A, OC curve. Next, question number 19. Which of the following charts would be used to monitor the average weight of the contents of a box of cereal? So I will read the question again. Which of the following chart types would be used to monitor the average weight of the contents of a box of cereal? Option A, X bar chart. Option B, R chart. Option B, P chart. And option D, C chart. The correct answer is option A, X bar chart. Question number 20. The correct distribution to use to compute consumers' risk exactly is. Option A, normal. Option B, Poisson. Option C, hypergeometric. Option D, binomial. And the correct answer is option D, binomial. Next, question number 21. If the average of the samples falls within the upper and lower tolerance limit, then option A, the process is out of control. Option B, the process is unequivocally in control. Option C, the process is said to be normal. Option D, the process may or may not be in control. The correct answer is option D, the process may or may not be in control. Next, question number 22. The OC curve of an acceptance sampling plan shows the ability of the plan to distinguish between dash. Option A, good and bad lots. Option B, type 1 and type 2 errors. Option C, chance variation and assignable variation. Option D, all of these. So the correct answer is option A, good and bad lots. Question number 23. An index has increased from 243 to 274 in a period of 2 years from 2000 to 2002. The percent relative for 2002 taking the base as 2000 will be dash. So an index has increased from 243 to 274 in a period of 2 years from 2000 to 2002. The percent relative for 2002 taking the base as 2000 will be dash. Option A, 111.7. Option B, 125.4. Option C, 112.8. Option D, 112.1. So the correct answer is option C, 112.8. Next, question number 24. From very shuffled deck of cards, a card is drawn at random. The probability that it is a red card is dash. Option A, 1 by 2. Option B, 1 by 4. Option C, 1 by 3. Option D, 1 by 6. So the correct answer is option A, 1 by 2. Next question. The probability of drawing one spade card from a pack of 52 cards is dash. Option A, 1 by 52. Option B, 1 by 13. Option C, 4 by 13. Option D, 1 by 4. So the correct answer is option D, 1 by 4. Question number 26. If x is a continuous random variable taking values from minus infinity to plus infinity, then f of minus infinity is dash. Option A, 1. Option B, 0.5. Option C, 0. Option D, minus infinity. So the correct answer is option C, 0. Next, question number 27. If p of x, capital X, less than or equal to small x equal to f of x, then p of a less than or equal to x, less than or equal to b is dash. Option A, f of b minus f of a. Option B, f of b plus f of a. Option C, f of a minus f of b. Option D, f of a dot f of b. The correct answer is option A, f of b minus f of a. Next, question number 28. If x is a random variable with mean mu, then e of x minus mu the whole power r is called dash. Option A, variance. Option B, rth raw movement. Option C, rth central movement. Option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option C, rth central movement. The next, question number 29. If A and B are independent events such that P of A equal to 0.4 and P of A bar intersection B bar that is equal to 0.4, then P of B is dash. P of A is 0.4 and P of A bar intersection B bar is 0.4, then P of B is dash. Option A 1 by 3, option B 1 by 2, option C 2 by 3 and option D 1 by 4. So the correct answer is option A, 1 by 3. Next, question number 30. Which of the following chart types would be used to monitor the range of the diameter of forged steel rods within a production lot? I will read the question again. Which of the following chart types would be used to monitor the range of the diameter of the forged steel rods within a production lot? So the correct answer, the choices are option A, X bar chart, option B, R chart, option C, P chart and option D, C chart. The correct answer is option B, R chart. Next, question number 31. Whenever the size of the population is large, a simple random sample can be easily obtained by adopting dash method. Option A, lottery method. Option B, random numbers method. Option C, census method and option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option B, random numbers method. Next, question number 32. Increasing the sample size has the following effect upon the sampling error. Option A, it increases the sampling error. It reduces the sampling error. Option B. And option C is it has no effect on the sampling error. And option D, all of these. So the correct answer is option B, it reduces the sampling error. Next, question number 33. Which among the following is the benefit of using simple random sampling? Option A, the results are always representative. Option B, interviewers can choose respondents freely. Option C, informants can refuse to participate. Option D, we can calculate the accuracy of the results. And the correct answer is option D, we can calculate the accuracy of the results. Next, question number 34. In cluster sampling, the units are dash. Option A, overlapping. Option B, non-overlapping. Option C, homogeneous. Option D, non-homogeneous. The correct answer is option C, homogeneous. Next, question number 35. The sequencing problem is used for dash. Option A, finding optimum sequence of jobs. Option B, finding optimum sequence of artificial variables. Option C, finding ordered sequence of transportation items. Option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, finding optimum sequence of jobs. Question number 36. Moving average method is used for measurement of trend when dash. When the trend is A, option A, linear. Option B, non-linear. Option C, curvilinear. Option D, none of them. The correct answer is option A, trend is linear. So moving average method is used when the trend is linear. Next, question number 37. Linear programming problem does not involve dash variables. Option A, slack variables. Option B, surplus variables. option C artificial variables, and option D random variables. So the correct answer is option D random variables. Next, question number 38. For a family expenditure data, the suitable diagram is dash. Option A scatter diagram, option B bar diagram, option C histogram, option D pie diagram. The correct answer is option D pie diagram. Next, question number 39. Irregular changes are due to when the production of thing is decreasing. This stage is called, question number 39. Irregular changes are due to the when the production of the thing is decreasing. This thing is called dash. Option A recession, option B recovery, option C prosperity, and option D depression. The correct answer is option A recession. Next, question number 40. The principle of least squares helps in determining dash. Option A cyclical changes, option B seasonal variation, option C trend, option D none of these. The answer is option C trend. Next, question number 41. With which method is not suitable to measure seasonal variation? Option A link relative method, option B ratio to trend method, option C simple average method, and option D moving average method. The correct answer is option B ratio to trend method. Question number 42. A time series is a set of data recorded dash. Option A periodically, option B at time or space intervals, option C at successive points of time, option D all of these. The correct answer is all of these. Option D all of this. Next, question number 43. The ratio to moving average is used to measure which component of time series? Option A secular trend, option B seasonal variation, option C cyclical variation, option D irregular variation. The correct answer is option B seasonal variation. Next, question number 44. The time reversals test was established by dash. Option A Laspere, option B Fisher, option C Saki, and option D Bowley. And the correct answer is option B Fisher. So question number 45. The mean and variance of a binomial distribution are 8 and 4 respectively. Then P of x equal to 1 is dash. Option A 1 divided by 2 power 12, option B 1 divided by 2 power 6, option C 1 divided by 2 power 16, option D 1 divided by 2 power 8. The correct answer is option A 1 divided by 2 power 12. Next, question number 46. MGF of geometric distribution is dash. Option A q divided by 1 minus p e power t, option B p divided by 1 minus q e power t, option C p divided by q minus p e power t, option D q divided by p minus q e power t. The correct answer is option B p divided by 1 minus q e power t. Next, question number 47. The mean of uniform distribution is dash. Option A plus b the whole square divided by 2, option B a plus b by 2, option C b minus a the whole square by 12, option D a plus b divided by 12. And the correct answer is option B a plus b divided by 2. Question number 48. Let x1, x2 so on to xn be a random sample from n of mu comma 1. Then summation xi square divided by n is an unbiased estimator of dash. Option A mu plus 1 the whole square, option B mu square, option C mu square plus 1 and option D 1. The correct answer is option C, mu square plus 1. Let x1, x2, question number 49, let x1, x2, so on to xn be a random sample from Poisson. Then the moment estimator of lambda is dash. Option A x bar, option B summation xi, option C 1 by x, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option A x bar. Next, question number 50, let x1, x2, so on to xn be a random sample from the PDF f of x comma theta. Then the likelihood function is defined as dash. Option A, f of xi comma theta as a function of theta. Option B, f of xi comma theta as a function of capital X. Option C, f of xi comma theta as a function of theta and x. Option D, f of xi comma theta as a function of theta. Option D, the difference between option A and option D is option A, that is a pi product, and in option D it is summation I equal to 1 to n f of xi comma theta as a function of theta. So the correct answer is option C, f of xi comma theta as a function of theta and x. So இந்த வீடியோவில் 50 கொஷின்ஸ் பார்த்துருக்கோம். ரிமைனிங் கொஷின்ஸை வந்து நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் கண்டினியூ பண்ணலாம். ஜஸ்ட் கொஷின் அதோட ஆன்சரை வந்து நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். நீங்கள் அந்த கொஷின் பார்த்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு வந்து கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் சொல்ல முடியுதா அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் பாருங்கள். இதே மாதிரியான பேட்டர்னில் நம்ம வரக்கூடிய எக்ஸாம்ஸில் கொஷின் வரலாம் அப்படின்னு நம்ம எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணலாம். எக்ஸாம் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்க எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். இப்போது அடுத்த வீடியோலேயே வந்து நான் 51லேருந்து கண்டினியூ பண்ண போகிறேன். அதையும் பாருங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.